Hey, so it's been a month since I have been newly engaged, and I wanted to show what my friends got me on the day of my engagement. They got me this lovely bride, like weekender bag full of goodies. Let's begin. So first, which I love and have already started filling out, is this our wedding planner. So I'm excited to kind of fill this out with my fiance and plan our wedding. And we already have some major ideas as to where, when, who's coming, all of that. So yes, we've already started utilizing this. They got me some bride sunglasses. So cute. They just say bride on the side. And it is totally me. So a lot of the stuff will be cute to have for my bachelorette, whoever that might be. So I just got to keep all this stuff together. But also, they got us some socks, which says time to suit up. And one pair says future hubby. And then the other pair says future wifey. Almost cried. Well, I was crying. It was a lot happening that day. I was in shock, to say the least. And but I am so appreciative of my girls getting me this. I seem a little low energy right now. No real reason. It's just that I've had this for a month in this bag and I haven't taken anything out of it. The next thing that is in here, which I do need to use on my ring, is this diamond dazzle stick. And this stick is supposed to keep your ring nice and shiny. I haven't really done much to it since having it, so it's still shining, but I gotta keep this in my purse. The next thing is this candle, which is so cute. It says congratulations on no longer living in sin, which we are blessed and covered by the Holy Spirit. So, but this is hilarious. Next thing, which was also super cute, they got us a bottle of champagne, and it says cheers to the future, Mr. and Mrs. Woodard. Nice. Which we also got some stemware from another group of friends as a gift, so that was really great. So they also got my little pup something Da Vinci. If you guys don't know, I have a dog named Da Vinci. So cute. And they got him this. My parents are getting married. I'm gonna put this on him soon. The next cute gift is this sweatshirt here that says future Mrs. Woodard. It's a little big, but I'm gonna wear it. And they got me this cute little purse. This is bride, and they wrote me a nice little letter. Oh, one more thing, which I thought was adorable, and I was waiting for this to come because this is one thing that they said wasn't in the bag when I originally got it. A ring tray that says Tamara and Isaiah with the location we got engaged and the date. Now I can put my rings in something other than the box. Oh, and I also forgot it came with this little pouch. But yes, so I love my friends. I thank my friends for this, and I'm ready to get into the engaged fiance era. Bye, y'all.